So we're in San Juan, Puerto Rico, and this is our ship, the Mariner of the Seas. It's my sister Loretta in the middle, Abby on the end, and Adam right here with the floppy hat.
I am by the car-sized buoy.
Oh, wow. So, and we're gonna start venturing off to go walking around. And this is where we're at. I'm trying to keep my fingernail out of the frame here.
Your hat, madam?
Oh, yes.
You will need a hat while you visit Puerto Rico.
Yes. Or anywhere you visit because it's hot.
Is also hot.
Oh, yeah, thanks for that too. Oh, I just seen a dolphin out there again. They were on the other side. Did you guys see any out there yet earlier? Jenny seen her first ones today. She said that her mission is complete. She got to see the dolphins. I said, oh, there must be like a lot of waste around here for them, or just, oh, there's another one. Yeah.
See that one, guys? Hey, you see him? He'll be back up.
There he is, too. Oh, wow.
Let's see if he makes a liar out of me.
This is better than
Go 4, buddy.
SeaWorld.
Go 4. Oh, yeah, 4. They're showing. They are showing off.
Oh.
They're showing off. Yeah, that's right.
A good picture of all of us
Yeah,
here.
with the ships.
There's the gangway. This is more convenient for the people that are going on excursions. They get off at the front of the ship on deck 2. Now, if you're not on an excursion, you need to make sure that you are on the back of the ship, the aft, not forward. Forward is for excursions. Aft is for anybody else just getting off the ship to just see the city. A lot of people didn't know that, and the elevators got compact. Oh, and we got Jock Sparrow. Who is it? I don't know. It's just a pirate, right? Gotta tell my grandson. And then if you're going on a tour, go to the right, and if you're going just
self-guided
walking,
tour.
Self-guided tour. Yes, thank you.
Yes.
To the left of the pool. They have, like Abby said, the Senor Frogs over there. There's a Walgreens right when you get out if you need anything from there.
Yeah, that place like McDonald's. Everywhere there's a seafood.
Now we have to look and see where we're headed. Zombie. We're in Old San Juan.
I saw that. Nice. Yeah, watch the whole thing.
Yeah, watch your whole thing. Abby, more bags.
More than likely, the further you get away from port, the cheaper you might get a deal.
Ooh, what was it? Okay. Watch out, babe. Sorry. Come on, Loretta. Hey, Adam.
That place looks cool. Yeah, bird brain.
Who do you think he is, Adam, up there? On the statue. Adam, look who it is. It's Cristobal Colonial.
Mm-hmm.
So there's the fort.
There's sweet ships on that mural back there.
Whoa, look, that's the castle.
That's the fort. That's one of them. So we should probably go to that one because the other one's too far. And then we can just hang around, walk around, do whatever we want here. Yeah, Loretta's got the idea. She's got some shade right by the fountain. Just chilling. So as Adam came over with her, he's like, oh, she found the spot.
You found some shade.
Adam, you need to move over next to Loretta a little bit more because you still are in the sun. There you go.
Here comes Abby. Here comes Abby.
Abby's coming to the shade.
Come on, Abby. Come to the shade. That's nice. The AC back there was nicer back there.
So
No, in that shop.
looks like we're
Yeah, I know the
gonna
game. You
go
walk,
up
sweat
here.
a while, hop in, get some AC, go to the next one.
Yeah, we do that a lot. I was just staying with Loretta, staying with the buddy system. Whenever you guys went in there, or you went in there, and I told Abby, please go in there.
We can't. Haven't looked that far and walk that other way.
So which one? So one option.
So far, we've made it from Port 3 up this road here, and we are here, of course. So we're close to this one here, and we could go there and pay our $7, and we probably will. But will we walk all the way down here to this one?
We can stay on this and walk down as much as we want, and then just make it back to here, and that way we'll be close by port, and we'll get the drinks at that bar back there that was close to port when we come back.
Explained it to us like it's uphill to here, and that's uphill to here. So at least if we did make it, we'd be downhill back to port.
I go see some of that. We got to get to at least the middle. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here to see. There's like a I think this might be, oh, that's the cemetery.
$15 for the little tour. He would probably take us there, but we would still have to pay our $7 to get in. So
yeah,
it's up to you guys.
we are tracking it up the climb, getting in everything for whenever we need to get back to eat. So we're working out our calories now.
You're getting your steps in, aren't you?
Be
300 years old is what I heard. 300 years old.
wow, it looks just like it did on the internet, but just
imagine that.
but just so much more real.
It is breathtaking.
Like when we looked it up and everything, I was just like, Adam and I were both like, wow, how cool, you know, to have a cemetery right it's not a beach, but Oceanside. We always say Riverside at our house because we're by the Mississippi, but yeah, Oceanside, San Juan, Puerto Rico.